SBC, the Goodbye Girl. She is a 2-year-old filly. She just was unloaded at my house less than an hour ago. She's never been here before, never seen what all there is to see here, and so far she's handling it great. A little bit antsy maybe, but super gentle, and she's just a really nice looking girl. Nice straight legs. She does have a little bump on her nose right underneath where the halter goes, but it's just a bump. I don't think, you don't ride their head, so shouldn't cause you too many issues. But again, nice straight legs, really nice conformation. She looks like she should be really fast. And she's the Goodbye lane, so eligible for pink and ruby buckle, many other incentives, obviously. So far I really like her. We'll go ahead and move her around. And they said she's been saddled a couple times, hasn't been ridden yet, but she'd be ready to start whenever anyone was ready to do that. We'll go ahead and pick up her feet for you. She has really nice feet. Again, she's really gentle, lets you move around her, doesn't seem to be afraid of anything that anyone wants to do to her. And I mean, she's been here maybe a half hour and already starting to settle in and just let us do whatever we want to her. So. I really like how she moves. She really reaches with her front end and really drives up under herself with her hind end. She's a really pretty mover. Okay. Good girl. Again, I think she looks really fast. Oh, good girl. I really like this filly. She's already, after being here less than an hour, she's calmed down, she's settled in, she's super sweet to be around. She is a daughter of the Goodbye lane, out of a daughter of Cartel's Success, and that mare is also a granddaughter of First Down Dash, and she has First Down Dash actually on both sides of her papers. So she should be really fast. She's really nice to be around. It's just been a pleasure to be around her the last hour or so. So I would highly recommend her as a barrel racing prospect. She is ready to start. She's been saddled a couple times, so she'd be ready to go on with.